Welcome students to the class of optional math in class optional math and the topic is sequence and series. Now we have been discussing sequence and series for more times. Now let's come to the conclusion of arithmetic series. After this we will talk about geometric series. Now on the arithmetic series our discussion was arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence, sum of arithmetic sequence, and then finally arithmetic mean. On the arithmetic mean, today I will try to conclude the arithmetic mean also by the two most important examples. After this you have to use your brain knowledge, you have to do practice. If any problem, give me a problem on comment box. I will try to overcome a problem too there. So first of all, now let's come to here this point. If A, P, Q, R, 24 are in arithmetic progression, find P, Q, R. You know what was discussed before. Remember, when you fix two numbers as the extremities, then the inside number will be mean. So, according to question, now you can write A, P, Q, R, 24 are in AP. So they are extremities. Now these are means, my dear. These are means. So there are how many means? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 means. So number of means 3. N equals to 3. 3 means are there. Now you have to find the common difference. How to find the common difference? Look here. So D equals to B minus A by N plus 1. My dear students, B minus A, 24 minus 8, 24 minus 8, N plus 1, N number of means, 3 plus 1. So what is the now result? 24 minus 8, it is 16 by 4 and it is 4. D is the 4. Now I am using here some part. Therefore, P is first mean. Q is second mean, R is third mean. So this is not the first time you are using the first mean formula. This is the second time. So tell me the formula. It is A plus D. It is A plus 2D. It is A plus 3D. Now A is here 8. 8 plus D 4. 8 plus 2 into 4. 8 plus 3 into 4. 12. 16, 20, therefore it starts from 8, becomes 12, becomes 16, becomes 20 and it ends to the 24. Look again, this is what you have to do in your exam, in your copy, in your every time when you talk about sequence series, because sequence series is not so much easy that you are taking. Remember, now I am going to the next mean problem. Look there. For that I draw it. I'm drawing it, okay? Now I'm drawing it. You can rewind and you watch the video problem. No problem. So now let's talk about the next important one. There are 6 arithmetic mean. 6 arithmetic mean. Number of mean N equals to 6. Between X and Y. First term A is X, last term B is Y. If second mean M2 is 11, fifth mean M5 is 23. Find the value of X and Y. Now this is going to be small kind of different than previous one. You have to use the mean formula, simultaneous equation, solve, find D. My dear student, find D. Okay. So look here. So the first given is M2. M2 means, do you know the formula M2? Yes, you know. A plus 2D. So this is given 11. Therefore 11 is equal to A plus 2D. First equation. Again, you know the fifth formula. fifth mean 23. Fifth mean are 11 and 23. So it is A plus 5D. 23 equals to A plus 5D. Now again you got simultaneous equation. There are many methods of solving the simultaneous equation and then finding the missing value. Let's solve it. Solving 11 equals to A plus 2D, 23 equals to A plus 5D. Let's solve, right? Let's solve. Minus, minus, minus. A is cancelled, 1 is cancelled. So now we are getting the value of next variable. 2 minus 5 minus 3D. 11 minus 23. 11 minus 23. Do you know the result? It is minus 12. Now minus minus cancelled. 3 4 are 12. It means you got the missing value. D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. Now let's continue. We have a space here. D is equal to 4. So from equation 1, 11 equals to A plus 2 into 4 because D is equal to 4. 4 to 8. A is equal to 3. So we got A is equal to again 3. A and D are disclosed now. What are the question? Find the value of X and Y. So what is X? Extremities. First term. So first term is, here is first term. Therefore X is equal to 3. 1 is we found. Now we need to find out the last term. Last term Y, B. So how can we find B? We know the formula of D, where there is a B. So D is equal to B minus A by N plus 1. D is equal to 4 equals to B. We have to find A is X is 3. N is how much term? 6 arithmetic mean. 6. Okay. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 4 are 28. Is equal to Y minus 3. Again Y is 8. 23 plus 2 30. 31. My dear students, this is 31. Look. First part, second part, and the last part. This type of problem is common problem, my dear students. You have to face every time when you go on solving the mean problem. So you should not hesitate to look out this, conclude this, and get some conclusion. I will again write you one more example. Okay, look, that will make you more clear on the sequential series. And remember, from this the arithmetic series is closed, and then next time when we will read about geometric sequence. Question: some arithmetic mean are inserted between 7 and 43 if fifth mean is 27. Find the number of mean. How many means are there? We have to find the number of means. Okay, my dear students, there is no problem. Now let's talk about the problem. New problem, new thinking, everything will be new now. So some arithmetic means are inserted. Some means we don't know. There is 7, here is first mean, second mean, third mean, and here is last mean. We don't know how many means are there because there is not given. And then 43. So how many means? That is the main problem. Okay, number of mean we don't know. So here first term A equals to 7. Last term B equals to 43. Okay, now let's try to find out how we can get the number of n. So first is given condition here is fifth mean is 27. Okay, now so we know that T5 mean is M5, fifth mean, is not found, mean is 27. You should not forget the formula of mean. M5 means A plus 5B equals to 27. Or A means first term, find out first term. First term A is 7. 7 plus 5D is 27. So when 7 is subtracted, you will get 5D is 20. D is 4. Common difference you got 4, but our target is number of mean. N. Okay, now let's check out the formula of D. The second part of this problem, by using the formula of common difference, because we have got it. Again, we know that in the common difference formula D is equal to B minus A by N plus 1. Common difference D, how much we got? 4. B, last term, read there, last term 43 minus first term 7. N plus 1. There N is we have to find, don't worry. Okay, 4 equals to 3, how much we got please? 36. 36 by N plus 1, or please continue here, cross multiply. 4n plus 4 equals to 36, or 4n equals to 4 subtract 32, therefore n is equal to 8. It means there were 8 means. This is how we have to find it. So my dear students, now I close the topic arithmetic series. Next time we will talk about geometric series. Thank you.